kind of need to zoom out.
He's picking up all that fucking dirt.
I want to see him get on the trailer. That's what I'm interested in. How they gonna get it in the trailer? That's what I want a video of him getting on the trailer. Just taking a puff of a cigarette. Take a video right now. Yeah. Yeah, everything we're saying is gonna hit on YouTube.
They can possibly operate a tractor.
Just cross the way, watch what you're looking at. No, me. Got your nose in there. Go.
Flat tires. Someone was in the ditch and got flat tires. What happened to anybody? Damn. Look where he's fucking going.
Aaron turned the steering wheel for him. I didn't know it'd take two people driving the damn tractor. Shit. This is what I was in. Oh shit. I know. I want to see him get on the trailer, dude. That's what I'm interested in. I ain't worried about him getting over there. I just want to see him get on the damn trailer. I don't give a shit. This is better. It's not hooked up, and it's just... Shit, I can't see my glasses yet. I want to see how this is going to work. Rodeo and Butch. I already got like almost have 3 minutes, dude, already. Which is gonna be good. I don't care, it's worth it. Be too worried. There's Edward. Edward's coming over in just perfect time. Edward, stop and watch. I didn't worry about that fucking boom, dude. It's a lot of weight from forcing that boom. I can't see shit with my glasses on. The guy now, how do I do this one? There you go, Butch, pull those up. The front loader's gonna hit the ground. I think I was aiming up at the sky for a minute there. No, I was aiming a little bit high, you can still see it. Yeah, you go ahead, I'll get the video, this shit's great. I'll let you watch it.